What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm doing a driving test practice. My student will be doing his driving test in about 35 minutes as soon as the DMV opens. Right now we're kind of in a weird position because the test starts here in one of these spots, but as you see, there are people parked in every single space, which they're not supposed to be parked.
Should I reverse now?
Yeah, so we would be reversing out of a parking space, so we're doing that right here. So you're gonna pull out to the end of the line, turn all the way to the right, and stop right there, put the car back in drive. And we're gonna go down to the end of this road and make a left turn. By the way, they're gonna ask you these questions. If you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Away from the street.
Away from the curb.
Away from the curb.
Put the car in park, pull up your parking brake, turn off the ignition. Alright, go ahead and make a left. So yeah, we have to be doing it slightly different because these people are parked in the space. But that's all you would do. You would back out the space. You would do exactly what we're doing now. Go down to the stop sign and make a left turn. Just do it nice and slow. Make sure you signal every single time. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Don't rush though, dude. Take your time. Alright, stay in the right lane. And we're gonna go all the way down to the end. Maximum speed is about 10. 10 is good, like this is good.
Okay.
You're gonna go around this corner. And then we're gonna make a right turn as soon as you pass the street. Just make sure you do it wide enough and slow enough that your back wheel doesn't hit the curb. Take your time. Straighten up here and stop. Wait for them to move out the way, and then we're gonna do the speed up and then the sudden stop. They're gonna reverse now. But yeah, the DMV lines are so super long right now that all of these people are here very early in the morning and they're pretty much doing what the hell they want. They park wherever they want to park, regardless of what the sign says. Alright, speed up to 20 and then do a sudden stop. And stop.
Reverse.
Okay, cool. Now reverse, straight back. Look, and reverse in a straight line. So just look behind you and roll straight back. Roll back until I say stop. Okay, stop here. Alright, cool. Put it in drive, go forward. We're going to go down to the end and then make a left turn. Stay close to the right side. We're going to wait for them to get out the parking space. Stop like right here.
Taking their time.
Yeah, no rush. Yeah. Alright, so as soon as they back out, we're gonna pull up and park and then continue doing the test. She knows we're doing a video. Stop here, signal left, turn all the way left, go slow. As soon as you get to the middle, you straighten up, nice and easy, like that. Alright, cool.
Reverse.
Reverse straight out, nice and slow. When you mirror it past the end of the line, the pole, you turn in all the way right, slowly. As soon as your mirror is past the middle, you're going to stop about here. Put it back in drive. Pull up next to the line on the right as soon as they move out the way. Close to the right side. Stop about here. 3-point turn. soon as the mirror pass the middle again, stop. Right. Left turn again. Right, left. Look at this line, dude. All the way to the back of the building.
There's parking space.
There's an empty spot there.
Spaces now.
Couple of empty spots. I hope these mad people don't go and take them. Take your time. And make a left here again. I think the guys from the DMV,
Yeah, the Keegan.
they tell them to move them.
Got one down there.
Yeah, there's one past the other guy and then park in that slot. And then we're done practicing for now. Till your time for your test. See, as soon as they come out, I know they're going to tell them to move. Turn all the way left. And that's slow. Right, straighten up here and stop. Cool. Put it in park. Alright, so how you think you did overall?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah, I could definitely improve.
Yeah, that's cool. I mean, you did enough to pass the test. I expect you to do even better on the test. Just slow down, relax, listen to what they're asking you to do, and do it. You should be fine. And look at the line at the DMV. It's crazy. Anyway, my students got to get on the line, so just subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Say something to the camera, boss.
Bye, guys.